Hi friends and Happy New Year! So for today's video, I would like to share with you my current favorite recipe in helping to speed up my metabolism. So for this recipe, I would like to call it Pumpyo Metabolism. So let us proceed in making the blend. So we need your roller bottle. So for this one, I'm using 5 ml. And we need 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And 5 drops of lemon essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next would be 5 drops of grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of my favorite essential oil. I love to put a drop of it in my water. 5. 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil. Cinnamon essential oil or cinnamon bark, it's known in maintaining the level of our sugar. And the last one would be ginger, 2 drops. Ginger essential oil is actually good in stimulating or promoting a good digestive system. So here's the oil. The smell of the ginger is really strong, but because of the grapefruit, peppermint, and lemon, it makes the blend pleasant smelling, well for me. So we fill the roller bottle with our carrier oil. So my carrier oil of choice is grapefruit. Then we put on our roller. Put in the cap, swirl it or shake it. And usually I apply this roller here in my neck, just like so. Also on the soles of my feet. And if I'm out of the house and I want to use this blend, or if I'm going to eat, I apply it here in my wrists. So this roller bottle is really a must-have for me. I always carry this in my purse because I usually apply this 3 times a day upon waking up, before eating my lunch, and before dinner. So guys, I hope I was able to help you with this special roller blend in speeding up your metabolism. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye!